guess what I got? I got a new iPhone. I was ecstatic when I got it for Christmas. While I was perfectly content and super excited with such generous present, something told me not to unwrap it. I went online and did some browsing at apple.com. It turns out that the iPhone mini was the same price as the large iPhone that I had just received. Since I prefer the more compact size, I exchanged the phones for no additional cost at all. I am so grateful for my new iPhone. Here is Nyako, my brother's beloved big doggy. He was adopted and has enjoyed since many wonderful years filled with lots of comfort and joy. Sadly, this most tender loving companion has now reached the end of his life. On January 15th, Nyako passed away and straight to heaven he went. He will be sorely missed. Here's Nina. That's me practicing a headstand. Me again in the front, Karen to the right, doing a yoga pose. And here's Amy in Pilates bar class, and then I'm to the right. Speaking of irresistible things, I received the loveliest embellished sweaters ever. The first two, adorned with rhinestones, are from White House Black Market. The third one, from H&M. It's profusely decorated with pearls. Cherry tomatoes, green onions, Kalamata olives, minced garlic, and shrimp. Dinner time! It's shrimp pizza night. Yum! Nope, I did not win the jackpot. But I should get at least $30 for trading in my iPhone.